In this video, I'm going to show you how to change an EGR valve in this Chevrolet motor. This happens to be a 2009 Chevrolet Equinox 3.4 liter V6. Now this should be about the same from 2005 to 2009. It's got the service engine light on and it needs a new EGR valve. So I'm going to show you step by step on how to change this out. Give yourself about 30 minutes to get this job complete. Let's go ahead and get started. Now this is a fairly easy process and the EGR valve is right here. So you do have a tube here we need to disconnect. You have a clip right here. So give yourself about 30 minutes to get this job complete. The first thing we need to do is remove the oil cap and the engine cover. All right, so the first thing we need to do is remove the oil cap. Go ahead and set that aside. And now we need to remove this electrical connector from the EGR valve. There's a little tab here on the back side. You're going to push down. And I like to pull and push at the same time. These are kind of delicate, especially if you're working on a car that's 20 years old. I'm pushing down on the tab, pulling, and I'm going to push at the same time to make sure I don't damage this connector. And now you can simply just lift straight up to remove the engine cover. We're going to go ahead and remove this bolt right here, and that's going to be a 10mm socket. Before I get too far, I'm going to put the oil cap back on just to make sure that nothing falls down in the engine. That 10mm bolt removed, simply just pull back a little bit to break that free from the EGR valve. Now we need to remove the two 10mm bolts on the either side of the EGR valve. And once you've taken out the second bolt, the EGR valve will lift right out of place. I just want to compare my new EGR valve to the old one. You just kind of want to make sure that the bolt holes are going to line up, you have the same type of electrical connector, and you're going to want to install a new gasket. As you can see, the old gasket is right here on the old unit. So we'll go ahead, we'll put the gasket on the EGR valve, and then I'm going to put the bolts through to hold it in place, and then we'll set it back on the engine. Both my bolts inserted, sticking out just a little bit with the gasket to help me line it up. And then we'll go ahead, line it all up, thread the bolts in. Snug, I'm just going to go about a half turn past snug. You can see this tube here just basically popped right into place. All I have to do is reinstall this bolt right here. That oil cap and put the engine cover back on. So once you get it lined up, you just push down and you'll feel it snap into place. Cap back on. Harness. Once you hear it snap into place, this project is complete. You can go test drive the car for about 10 minutes and your service engine soothe light should go out. If you have an engine code reader, you can go ahead and erase the code and start driving the vehicle. And after I drove it around the block a couple times, the engine light is out. Now congratulate yourself and save you some time and money. You didn't have to take it to a mechanic and you probably got it done in under half an hour. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.